Sagada Arabica is a medium-bodied, single-origin coffee grown in the northern Philippines. It has citrus, fruity, and nutty flavored notes, prepared through V60 method, showcasing distinct flavors, brighter notes, and has less acidity. Taglaya is 100% cacao from Davao. And we do this to make it more fine and
creamy.
yeah.
Actually, since I was small, idol ko is my father. Is kapampangan ko.
Oh.
So, I always
Pala
watch him
magaling.
cooking po. So, aside from the training that I had, kasi hindi ka naman bigyan jail po if you're not validated in all stations. So, whether it's front of the house or back of the house. So, it's so important that we are into details,
Oh.
food safety, ganyan,
Important. Kasi
sanitation,
a single,
taking care of
ano,
the employees.
a single complaint can bring down yung lahat and then tapos i-check her lang.
I believe it's consistency.
Yeah.
I know it's very hard. It takes a lot of passion. So for you to execute very well. Love
Pero-
for the job.
For you to have stayed for that long a time sa field mo, di ba?
It requires a lot of patience, love for work.
And you also love yung
And you love what you're doing.